I can imagine there'd be a lot of challenges putting yourself out there as an all-female run construction company. Was there any kind of pushback or hard time?
It's always hard time.
Always, yeah, but I don't think that it's, just the construction industry that you're going to find that in.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah, there's always going to be challenges, and if you're doing something different, there's always going to be a challenge.
You have little knockbacks all the way, I think, as women.
Social media wasn't as big as it is now when we first started. So it was more of a friendly environment where, you didn't have both sides. It was just very positive and small. So we had that a little bit, but all of our work was word of mouth, and we didn't have any issues in that regard. So we built the company the way we wanted to, and we had people work with us that wanted to work with us, and the same with the clients. So we sort of protected ourselves in that manner. So sure, you had a few guys that, or a few problems that you run into, but...
I mean, back then we even had issues going to the hardware supply places. We even had trouble getting the stuff put on the truck for us, or
because of the fact that you were women.
Yeah.
Getting licensing was difficult, surprisingly.
How? Why?
You would have had overseas qualifications for starters, wouldn't you?
I did, but I had all of my qualifications here in Australia as well. So I got everything. So I had both sets, and I did my apprenticeship here in carpentry.
Wow,
and
okay.
then had my I was questioned. Some of the questions to my references were not appropriate from the licensing bodies.
They're particularly asking about
how does she conduct herself as a woman on site, which I don't know what has to do with getting a license.
You're true. You're wrong. You're kidding me.
True.
No, true.
It was a very difficult time probably for us at that stage.
So not only the normal hurdles that we were trying to overcome, then when we thought we ticked all the boxes and we're doing everything right, an organisation that you think that are
supporting you,
pro women,